Ever wondered why some businesses thrive in the digital marketplace while others lag behind? The secret often resides in an elusive yet critical aspect of digital marketing: keyword analysis. Imagine you're a craftsman of words, weaving the fabric of your online presence. Each thread you choose, every color you incorporate, matters. In digital marketing, these threads are your keywords. They can make your business stand out in the vast tapestry of the internet, or get lost in the crowd. Step 1 in this journey is understanding the importance of keywords. They are the backbone of search engine optimization, the foundation of your online visibility. When correctly chosen and strategically placed, keywords can lead potential customers directly to your doorstep. They are the signposts in the digital landscape that guide consumers to your products or services. So, how do you choose the right keywords? The journey begins with keyword research. This is a process of identifying popular words and phrases people enter into search engines. The aim is to figure out what to rank for. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help. They reveal the search volume and competition for each keyword, providing a glimpse into what your potential customers are looking for. Next, it's all about understanding your audience. What language do they use? What questions are they asking? What problems do they need to solve? Remember, your audience isn't a faceless mass. They're real people with real needs. Speak their language and they'll listen. Now, it's time to narrow down your keyword list. Look for high search volume and low competition. These are the golden tickets in the world of SEO. But remember, relevance is key. Your keywords must align with your business and what you offer. Once you have your list, it's time to incorporate these keywords into your content. But be careful. Keyword stuffing is a big no-no. Search engines are smarter than ever. They reward quality over quantity. So use your keywords wisely and naturally within your content. Finally, remember to monitor your keyword performance. SEO is not a one-time thing. It's a constant process of refinement and adaptation. Use analytics tools to track your keyword rankings and adjust your strategy as needed. In summary, keyword analysis is a critical aspect of digital marketing that can set your business apart. The process involves understanding the importance of keywords, conducting keyword research, understanding your audience, narrowing down your keyword list, incorporating keywords into your content, and monitoring performance. It's a journey, but one well worth taking. Remember, in the vast tapestry of the internet, your keywords are the threads that weave the story of your business. Choose them wisely and watch your online presence flourish. So, are you ready to become a craftsman of words?